Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Monday, November 3rd. The former director of Disney Cruise Line's private island, Castaway Cay, is facing some serious charges in the Bahamas. Gershel Shahibis, 65, has been formally charged with sexual assault after a 29-year-old American woman reported an incident that allegedly took place in September. Her complaint was filed by the Royal Bahamas Police Force, and he was arrested shortly after. The man has since been fired by Disney Cruise Line and released on $15,000 bail. His attorney says he plans to return to the UK, but will appear in court when required. At the time of broadcast, Disney Cruise Line has not issued a statement. And Norwegian Cruise Line has launched its first ever seasonal cruise service from right here in Jacksonville, Florida. On October 31st, the Norwegian Gem departed Jacksport for her inaugural sailing, beginning a multi-year agreement with NCL and the port. This will run from this month through April of each year. The new partnership adds to Jacksonville's two-decade cruise history and marks the first time an NCL ship is sailing from Jacksonville. Carnival Elation will continue year-round service, but the two ships will never be in port at the same time because of size. And Celebrity Cruises has added Celebrity Apex to its homeport lineup at Port Canaveral, replacing Celebrity Equinox. The Edge-class ship will sail 7-night cruises to the Caribbean and Bahamas throughout the winter season. The ship's arrival was marked by that traditional plaque exchange between port officials and the cruise line. Port Canaveral is now home to one of the 5 Edge-class ships in the Celebrity fleet. And cruise stocks were up on Friday. Carnival Corporation up 2%, 28.83. Royal Caribbean up 1%, 286.83. Norwegian up the same, 22.42. And Viking up slightly, 60.85. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net, and have yourself a great Monday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.